Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove a watermark from our video. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer and then I have just created a video with vid.io. Okay, this is the result. And then I'm going to show you how we can remove this watermark for free. Okay, we can go to our browser and then search for watermark remover, and then there will be a lot of websites you can visit, but I recommend you to choose this one, online video cutter, because it's free. Okay, I'm just going to visit the website and we're going to upload our file, our video. You can choose video you want to remove watermark from, and I'm going to choose this one because there is a vid.io watermark here. Okay, and I'm going to select the watermark area. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select the watermark area like this. Okay, now it's done, and don't forget to click on apply. And as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. I know that the result it's not that perfect, but at least the watermark has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove vid.io watermark for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.